Welcome to Have Fun, Make Art with Mike Quinn. We had a subscriber write in and comment that they were curious how we make slip. So we're just doing a quick little video to show you how you do that. This is just a piece of clay from a piece that didn't make it to the kiln. So it's unfired, basically something that broke. But I'll just kind of break it up into a few little chunks. So we get it to this stage, we get this crumbles. We'll just add it to this water. And then I'm going to add some water to it, and I'll actually cover it up, and then in about 10 minutes that will melt down into just like a mud, and I'll hold it up to the microphone. You can hear it kind of sounds like 7-Up. So now what we'll do is we'll just pour off the this top layer of water. And then stir this stuff up, and you've got slip. We really appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out what we're doing on this channel. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next one.